there, I hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel. My name is Palina if you're new here. Today let's do a chit chat, get ready with me, and now I use some of the new makeup products I bought. So let's get started. Starting with foundation, I bought this new foundation. It's a Armani Power Fabric Long Wear High Cover Foundation, SPF 25. I like to use a pump of foundation. That looks pretty good. The shade match looks pretty good. So back then when I buy foundations, I every time get recommended by other people in stores. They tell you majority of people choose this, I think you will look good with this, but it's always the same shade that is a little bit too light for my skin. This time I took the matters into my own hands and bought a foundation online, and look at this, looks like a perfect shade match. So normally I like to use a damp makeup sponge to blend out my foundation. It's squishy, it's satisfying to blend with it, but sometimes when I want to feel like a makeup artist, I use a brush. Today let's use a brush. I brought my new hand mirror. This is from Flower Nose. This foundation smells really good. It has this really comfortable herbal floral scent. I know Armani is famous for their complexion products. In the Western market, their most popular foundation is actually the Luminous Silk one, but here the most popular one is the Power Fabric one, which is a matte foundation. And for some reason, people here really like matte foundations. It blends really nicely. This foundation actually costs $69 US, which is a lot for a foundation, and normally if something costs this much, I would wait until Christmas to get it, but they're bringing out a new Power Fabric foundation called Power Fabric Plus, so this one was actually on sale and I got it for a good price. I think I justified this purchase. Let's tint the eyebrows. I want to do a green look today, so I think lighter brown eyebrows will work better. This is the Etude House Color My Brows eyebrow tint. Guys, is it me or do I look really yellow today? Ta-da! Eyebrows are done! I'm still not used to seeing myself with lighter eyebrows, but I like the way they look. I was going to set my face with powder, but feels like my face is already set even so I didn't use any powder. Maybe that's the magic of a matte foundation. Other than the foundation, I bought 4 items. 2 eyeliners from a Chinese makeup brand called Float. They are quite popular right now, so I want to try out their product as well, and they have cute packaging, it seems. This is a Clio Lash mascara. You guys know this is the only mascara I use in all my videos. I tried another one, but that didn't work out for me, so I'm going back with my trusty Clio Lash mascara. And then we have this Korean concealer from the same. I like this concealer a lot, and the one I'm using is almost finished up, so I ordered a new one. Let's move on to the fun part, eyeshadow. So I have an idea in mind. I wasn't inspired by anyone, but I just felt like doing a green look. I want to do light green here, dark green there, and then a white line on here. Maybe like a tiny little butterfly or a tiny little heart here. This was an idea. I'm going to use my Colourpop Fade into Hue palette. And guys, in the course of the last, I don't know how long I have had this palette for, but I have eyeshadows breaking all over the palette. This one broke before, this one broke before, and something else broke before. I think this broke twice, the green one broke once. The eyeshadow is super soft and mushy, so it breaks easily. If you're hearing a German voice in the background, that's my dad. Anyways, let's get started. I'm thinking using this as an all-over base, and then this in the inner corner, this on the outer corner. I like to hook a powder puff on my pinky finger every time I do makeup on my face. Well, first of all, I don't like to touch my makeup with my hand, and also because I have really shaky hands, so this actually stabilizes my hand a bit. If you have shaky hands, try hooking a powder puff. Putting the light green all over the eyelid as a base. So the weather is really good today. It's very sunny and warm, and I was out today. And something very unlucky happened. So I was wearing a really cute white and light blue dress. I really like the dress. It's also pretty long and I felt beautiful in it. And then I was driving down an escalator. For some reason I didn't pay attention, but the bottom rim of my dress got stuck into the edge of the escalator. And I don't know what happened in it, but black oil got onto the bottom rim of my dress. And now my dress is kind of ruined. I'm really hoping I can get the oil out of it. Right now it's being soaked in soap and hot water. Going with the dark green next. It's very unfortunate, but I learned a lesson on the hard way. Next time when I'm going to drive on an escalator, I will always watch out for my dress. Have you ever had similar experiences like this happening to you? Now taking the green on the flat side, I like to use whichever eyeshadow I use on the top eyelid to match my bottom lash line as well. Now I'm taking this light mint green, packing it on the inner part of my eyelid. Oh, that's very pigmented. Moving on to eyeliner, I just realized I want to use white eyeliner for today's look, so I won't be able to use the new eyeliners I bought, so we'll have to wait for next time. This is a SUVA Beauty Hydra liner. It's in the color Space Panda, which is this pure white color. I'm going to spray a little bit water in it, and then dipping into it with a thinness brush I have, which is still pretty thick. Now this is the part that can ruin your whole look. If you can't tell, I'm really nervous. Let's add a little butterfly wing. And a heart on this side. Should we add a wing? Sure, why not? When it's drying up, you need to dip back in and get more of the white eyeliner. I got a question once. Someone asked me if I wear these colorful makeup looks when I go out as well. You might be surprised, but actually majority of the time I'm not wearing any makeup. I was out all day and I was barefaced. I don't use makeup to like cover up my face or feel like I'm ugly without it. It's more of like a form of, I was going to say expression, but I'm not sure that's the right word. It's like art for me. I'm bad at drawing, so I prefer drawing my face. I'm going to wait for the Hydra liner to dry up before curling my lashes and apply mascara. Colorful makeup looks also take very long to do if you want to like blend everything to perfection and make sure everything looks good. I would say you need at least 20 or 30 minutes, so normally I don't have that much time to do a colorful makeup look like this before I go out. I do it for my YouTube videos. I feel very relaxing when I can just sit down, do what I like, and just paint my face. So once I'm done with a makeup look, I don't mind going out like this. It's just that I don't have time to intentionally do a look like this before going out. As you can see, my lines are not very smooth. Because I have shaky hands and insufficient skills, they all play a big part in it. I got these little, I don't know how to call these sticks, they called eye makeup fixers. It's a teeny tiny little thing with some fur on it. And apparently you can rub away your mistakes like eyeliner mistakes, eyeshadow mistakes, so let's try it out. I'm hoping I can just scratch paint like this away like acrylic paint. That didn't really work very well. The eyeliner is very stubborn. I just rubbed off some of the eyeshadow. I went back and fixed my eyeliner a little bit. I hope that helped. I will take a little bit of the green shimmer and put it on the inner corners. Oops, that's a little bit too much. For mascara, let's use my new Clio Lash mascara. There's, I believe, 4 or 5 different variants of this, and the original I tried and loved is the long curling one. Later I tried another one, but now I'm going back to the long curling. This is my favorite. Welcome home. I love this mascara because it lengthens my lashes, doesn't clump together, and keeps my curl up for a very long time. Also not too hard to remove either. I love this mascara. Oh look, my skin looks very natural. You can see all the little freckles. Now let's bronze up my skin. I like to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It smells really nice and also gives a very nice luminous bronze to my skin. And these are the 2 new blushes I bought from Flower & Nose. We have a pink peachy one here. And we have a cute apricot one. Should we go for a mix of both maybe? Starting with the apricot. This smells nice too. A very soothing floral smell. Taking the darker pink colors. You can't see that well on camera, but actually in person, my cheeks are very pink already. Finally, let's use a highlighter to tie everything up together. This is a MAC Whisper of Gilt highlighter. It's a little bit darker than the typical champagne gold highlighter. I like to put it on my nose. It suits my current skin tone. And keep it on your lip. And I really like this brush from Picasso. Lip gloss and then we are done. But before I end this off, I want to say thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, for watching my videos, and all your kind comments. I can't believe that I'm almost at 900 subscribers and that there are so much people out there watching me, commenting on my videos and liking my makeup looks. It's insane, but I'm very grateful to have this audience base and this community. I will continue to try my best to bring up creative and fun makeup looks. Okay, now let's use a lip gloss. This is a Fenty Beauty Fenty Gloss Bomb. I already finished one, this is my second one. very juicy. And this, guys, is a finished makeup look. I really like how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys will have a good day or night wherever you are. Take care of yourself and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!